I'm going to show you my gent fire panel. I'm going to show you how to reset it and set it off. First you enter your code in, that will come on, then you push sound alarm, then you push silence, and if there's a call point being broken, I just do that. If the glass is being broken, you push silence, then you cancel the buzzer. I'm going to set off the fire alarm using the test key. Just push the test key up. And push the test key back up. It will say fire condition, fire in one zone. The silence it, do that. Put the code in, push silence, and then to look for the problem. If you want to keep the sirens ringing and there's a real fire, just push that sound alarms again. That's to cancel the buzzer because the buzzer's annoying. Then you push that button, it will get rid of these LED lights, then you push that. And you let it so flashed. I'm going to show you the zones. Tells you what to do in a fire condition if you don't know how to use the panel. It says one zone, call point, might fit a smoke detector on. I'm going to do a test like this. You push display and then shift, and then I broke this glass earlier. It just says part of that call point, and I got this off the eBay. It's an old one. I'll be putting this on a shelf, putting the wood on the back of the shelf, and then putting bolts on, and then putting it on, and long wires going from the shelf. That new shelf I'm going to get, it's going to come down the shelf and along here, and out here, I'm signing up there, around there. And I might put another sign another call point in the living room. Or just keep the one call point. I'll go and show you something. It's me that just wrote that, put that, because it doesn't say the gent. It says gent by Honeywell. This here, I'm going to show you. I got this. I'm going to show you. I can't find it. This is all the videos of the YouTube videos all from the people. Can't find that. I'll show it in the next video. I was going to show you my videos. I could not find it. Right, I'm going to change the screen. go and show her my panel where I got my panel. And that was the video finished. Some fish. Caught some fish. Sorry about the delay on that video. Fire alarms. Gent fire alarm. It's some fish where I got my panel. Some fish supplies. They're in Newcastle. This is the panel. That's the panel I got. That panel. I found some of them are repeat panels. I got that. I got that saved up. Thank you for watching this video.